I see that a lot of people are crying because I said that in a Ika language, we don't have chi. What we have is Ehi. Why are you crying? We don't have chi now. Is it by force to have chi? Now by force to get chi, I don't understand. We don't have chi. You want to force us to have guardian angel that we don't have? You want to force us to have personal spirit or guardian angel that doesn't understand our language? It's our Ehi that understand our language, that is our own. Is it you that will assign guardian angel or be personal spirit to us? CBC trouble. Now you want to assign personal spirit, give me again. Abo people, Abavo, Amunede, all of us as Ika people, we don't have chi. Now Ehi we get. Allow us have our guardian angel, our personal spirit, that will understand us, that will help us. After all, this is meant to guide us and protect us. This is our Ehi. Now your own, I never mentioned you in the post. Nothing concern you. I'm talking to my Ika people. Why you can't they cry there? If you like, know 1,000 people that bear this name or bear that name. We know our language. Simple. I don't understand why you are crying. Crying, tears everywhere. You will not get mop to mop all your tears. You will continue crying, no, because we don't have chi. You want to force us to have this chi by force, by fire, by force. We don't have. Now he will get. So you will rest. You will rest.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that boy from Ika said. The Ika boy said that Ika people don't have chi in their language. It's a lie. Ika people have chi. If you go to Ika land, all over Ika land, people are bearing Chukwuka, Chinenye, Chioma, and so on. This boy is one of those Ika people that are going about saying that Ika people are not Igbo people. This boy is always teaching Ika people against Igbo identity. He don't want Ika people to identify as the Igbos that they are. In this South, the major people that are fighting Igbo unification are Benin people. And whenever Benin people are on TikTok live and Twitter live, talking about Igbos, talking about how they want to destroy Igbo unity, this senseless Ika boy will be there. He will join them in that live and he will be talking down on the Igbo race, saying that Igbo people want to grab land, they are forcing Ika people to identify as Igbos, we Ika people are not Igbos, blah blah blah. He is there saying rubbish. He claims he's from Abo. Well, we don't care. He said that Ika people don't use chi. Can you imagine? Just imagine the way this boy is just lying with confidence, and the mumu can they laugh join, saying rubbish. Now, I want to show you people proof, authentic proof that Ika people use chi in their language. This proof is an eye-opener for every Ika person that is going about saying that Ika people don't use chi in their dialect. There's nothing like chi in Ika language. This next video that you're about to watch was made by this senseless Ika boy. He posted this video on his YouTube platform 3 years ago. I went there and I took the video from his platform. Watch the video, then when you are done watching, I continue from there.
Good day, my people. We're back again to you. This is Everything Ika Language class. Here we're back again to tell you more about the language. Like I earlier on told you previously that my names are Comrade Joseph Arimiche Agboifo, W2 retired. Today we're going to respond to some of the questions a lot of people asked in the previous teaching. After that, we will now go into the new program. We want to go into those alphabets just now. So here are the alphabets. A, B, Che, bracket alphabets. Che. Sometimes there are people they call Chukuma. Chukuma. Follow? That language, Chukuma. Look at this, yes. So, the bracket alphabet comes there. Chukuma. In English language, it might not be so, but this is exactly how it is being spelled in our language.
Welcome back, my people. You all have watched that video. The man that spoke in that video is an Ika man. He is teaching Ika alphabets. During the teaching, the man showed us CH, which is Chi. Ika alphabet, there is Chi there. Now this mumu boy, and I posted 3 years ago, today he come, they talk, say, Ika people not get Chi. Ozwai. Now you post 3 years ago, say Ika people get Chi for the alphabet. You still carry your mumu self, come today, they talk, say, Ika people don't have Chi. Ozwai. Something you posted few years ago, you are coming out today to lie. Lying to your followers. Lying to some of those senseless Benin people that are supporting you, saying that Ika people are not Igbos. You are deceiving them. Look at the video here. His own video, I'm judging him with his own video. He's making video laughing at himself. Ozwai. Simba head. He said that all over Ika, that they don't bear Chi as a name. Look at this picture here. This man in this picture is the Obi of Ute Okpo Kingdom in Ika land. His name is His Royal Majesty Pastor Solomon Chukwuka JP. The word Chukwu is originally pronounced as Chi Uku. But because of the way we take the pronounce am as Chukwu, you can't say no be Chi Uku. The original word is Chi Uku. It's just like you are saying Ka Ahibili. You not say Ka Ahibili. That is the same way we pronounce that word, Chukwu. If Ika people don't have Chi, why are some of their kings bearing Chukwu as a name? Look at the second picture here. This is the Obi of Ute Ogbeje Kingdom in Ika land. The name of this Obi is His Royal Majesty Dr. G. Chukwuma Jikeme 1. You see the name? Chukwuma. Chi Ukuma. And this senseless Ika boy is online laughing like a fool. Look at this picture here. This is the picture of another king in Ika land. This is the Obi of Mbiri Kingdom in Ika land. His name is His Royal Majesty Dr. Ifeanyi Chukwu Alekwe II. The last Ogwa Ika festival that was done in Ika land few days ago was done in Mbiri Kingdom. We went there live and direct. That was where I took the picture of all these kings that I'm mentioning. Look at the name of the king. Ifeanyi Chukwu. Ife Adianyi Chi Uku. And this was why he's there laughing, saying rubbish. All because he don't want Ika people to identify as the Igbos that they are. He is busy deceiving himself, saying that what they have in Ika land is Ehi and not Chi. What Ika people call guardian angel is Ehi and Chi. 2 words. This is another Obi in Ika land. This is the Obi of Ibodo Kingdom in Ika land. His name is His Royal Majesty Barrister Ikechukwu Nkeobiku Osedume 1. Look at his name. Ike Uku. Ikechukwu. There is Chi in his name. And this was why that is saying rubbish online. He's busy saying that Ika people don't have Chi in their alphabet. They don't have Chi in their language. They don't have Chi in their dialect. They don't have Chi in Ika land. Do you know the damage that this senseless boy is doing to Ika people. And so many Ika people will not know about themselves. Go believe them. They'll come they spread the false narrative, say there is nothing like chi in Ika dialect. I hate it when people pass wrong information, especially those ones that are bold when saying rubbish, like this mumu. Look at this picture here. This is the day of Igbo kingdom, where this senseless boy claimed that he came from. The name of the day of Igbo is His Royal Majesty Dr. Benjamin Ikechukwu Kaegbo Rekuzi 1 CON. His name is Ikechukwu. And the laughing Mugu is here saying that Abavo kingdom, Umunede kingdom, Igbo kingdom, they don't use chi. That what they use is Ehi. You don't use chi, but your king is called chi. The name of your king is Ikechukwu. And the word Chukwu is gotten from chi. Chi means a personal guardian spirit. Chi is personal. No only one person they get your own chi. Only ne chi or some ni chi ye. Ika people also have another word for that guardian angel called Ehi. That's why if you go to Ika land, so many of them are bearing Ehi Edu, Ehi Emeke. All those names are Igbo names. That word Ehi in Ika is another word used in Ika land for chi. We Ukwane people, we have another word for chi that we call Ashi. A-S-H-I. If you come to Ukwane land, we bear Ashioma as name. We bear Ashiedu as name. Ashionye nedue ye neje. Ashimadu ya nedue. Osamadu na ashiaya. Ashioma. We use Ashi in Ukwane. We also use Chi in Ukwane. So I can't say, because I say my community they use Ashi. Because I say they use Ashi for Ukwane. Then all those Oshimili people when they use Ashi, we and they not come be the same people. We speak the same language with different dialects. They hear us, we they hear them. Our cultures, tradition are the same. So because we they use Ashe, they not they use Ashe. We not come be one people with them. This Ika boy na mumu. There are words in Ukwane land that you can never find in Ika land. That is why it's called a dialect. There are words in Abereba that you cannot find in Ukwane land. That is why it's called a dialect. Every Bia speaking dialect is unique. Now you post say Ika people don't have chi. Now you still post say Ika people have chi. This boy is an Ozwai. Identity crisis is very bad. It dey make people they do like mumu. Now someone call us for Trend FM that day where they talk about Igbo unification and Nema state creation and our upcoming conference. He's from Igbo. He called. He said that they Igbo people are not Igbo people. That they are Benin people. We now ask him, what is your Benin name? This man said that his Benin name is Oseyenum. Can you imagine? Oseyenum is just the short form of Olise Yenum. The word Ose is the short form of Olise. Olise Niyem. Olise is an Igbo word. But the man said that Oseyenum is a Benin name. Benin people they bear Oseyenum. Do Benin people bear Oseyenum as a name? Identity crisis don't make so many people from that kingdom call Igbo. They talk rubbish online. They will just call they talk rubbish. Identity crisis is a disease. Now disease where we say if they chop brain, you go they chop the sense where suppose they brain. They put mumu things inside. Now wait till they worry this mumu, they come online, they talk rubbish. Hey, they can't done this chi. What we use is Ehi. So only that word Ehi now come make una not be Igbo people. As I don't see the video, I say make I check this thing first. Make I know what in this boy talk because Ika people use chi. So many Ika people that I know, all of them are called chi in their name. Look at the kings in Ika land are all called chi. And the moment come online, they deceive those Benin people where they support them. He's laughing. You go cry, no worry. We go carry Edo State, go southeast. All of you Ika people, both the entire Ika people in Edo State, we are packing all of you to the southeast where you belong. Whether you like it or not, this laugh where they laugh now, you go turn tears at last. You will cry, no worry. The mumu just they laugh, laughing at his ignorance. Sorry, more. Well, I don't think that is not good. You don't make person they talk like mumu online. He's laughing, but deep down, he's pained. The Igbo unification is progressing. Those Ika people that say that they don't use chi, if they see this video, their eye go open. They will know that this boy is just deceiving them for so long. What do you take the Igbo unification movement for? You think say we dey play? Or you could just come online, talk rubbish. We could just sit and keep quiet. No, we debunk fools. And that's why if you watch our videos, we deal with facts. We don't just come here and talk. We say facts. We go talk, tell you say make you go make research for confirmation. We don't force people to believe what we say. They laugh. Person where they craze, don't know say they craze. Ain't say know what they do. Ubulonya bakaga omo ifenemeni. Identity crisis have eaten this boy up. Ika people, Igbo people, there is nothing anyone can do about it. Nothing, nobody from Ika go fit stop Ika people not to join Edo State. Nobody from Ika go fit stop Ika people not to join the southeast. Ika language is Igbo language. Their culture and tradition is Igbo. The same way Ika people use Ehi and Chi is the same way we Ukwan people use Chi and Ashi. Now, if we Ukwan people say that we and the Ika people are brothers, now this set of senseless people go come out and say, hey, we Ika people and Ukwan people, we are not brothers, so we use Ehi. They use Chi, we don't use Chi. They are the ones that use Chi, we use Ehi. To get sense too good. He said the Ika people don't use chi, and at the same mumu boy and I post for YouTube channel say Ika people they use chi. Now he post the man video. In that video, look at it there, he wrote Ika alphabet. The man gave an example saying Chukuma, Chi Ukuma. Today, the mumu come online, they talk say Ika people don't have chi. This boy is an Ozwai. Igbo, and we will never allow this set of senseless people to divide us. Ishe Wale.